Kumusta po kayo guys? Grabe, no, nung nakaraan ulan ng ulan, tapos ngayon naman napakatindi na naman po ng init guys. Alam niyo yung tipong mga biglaang site inspection, site tripping, yung mga nakakapanood sa akin sa YouTube. Buti na lang taga Santa Maria, Bulacan lang din ako, no? Kaya ayan, nandito po tayo sa may North Grove Hills, 'di ba? Kakatapos lang ng aking site tripping with clients and it's looking positive. Almost sold out na po ang North Grove Hills. Pinakamabenta, 'di ba? Sa lahat ng hawak kong projects. Imagine that, sa buong Bulacan. Sa dami ng subdivision, isa to sa pinakamabenta talaga, guys. So, for today, I want to discuss about September 2023 most recent update for North Grove Hills, Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan, the reservation process, and of course my Bare Months promo, okay? So, September 2023, Aspen model 4.3, Redwood model 4.1. Ito yung ating most recent update for North Grove Hills. Oakwood model 3 million or 2.9 million plus, okay? So guys, dito sa harap ng model unit na yan, itatayo yung covered court, swimming pool, parks and playground rin at function hall. Tapos ito yung ating main subdivision road. Ang sukat ng mga kalsada dito, katulad nito, pinakamalaki syempre 12 meter wide road, may 10 meter wide road, at ang pinakamaliit natin 8 meter wide road, which is still bigger than the standard or usual 6.5 meter. So 8 meter sa mga standard blocks or inner blocks natin, pero ang laki pa rin ng kalsada, maganda pa rin. Kung baga, hindi siya yung masyadong siksik kasi nga 8 meter wide as the standard, eh, 'di ba? 8, 10, 12, ganyan po yung mga sukat ng mga subdivision ng ating subdivision road. So, ito ay located sa Barangay Catmon, Balasing Road. Yan o, yung road na yan, pag kumaliwa, dyan ako palabas, Catmon, pa San Jose del Monte, pag kumanan pa Balasing, kaya Catmon Balasing Road. And then, ano siya guys, flood free, okay, non-flooded area, plus, ano pa ba? Ang maganda pa dito guys, yung ganda nung ano natin, oh. Kasi ano siya, nature friendly subdivision talaga siya guys. Kaya naman, sobrang ganda. Ang ating mga mababait na mga kuya dito, yan, sila Kuya Guard. Wait lang guys. Kuya, maraming salamat. Welcome po. Ingat rin. Thank you. So, ayan, yung sa entrance natin guys, ganyan ang itsura, ayan o, North Grove Hills. Talagang ayoko lumabas kasi nakikita nyo naman kung gaano katirik yung araw, di ba guys? Ang ginit. Tapos ayan o, di ba, yung ating kalsada sa harap ng ating entrance gate. Look at that. Dito pa lang naman sa cellphone ko eh. Kitang-kita nyo na kung gaano kaganda. Ayan, baba ko lang yung aking windshield. Ang ganda, di ba guys? North Grove Hills. Yan yung ating entrance gate. Yan o, North Grove Hills, September 2023 most recent update. By Dolmar Land, more than 50 years in the real estate industry, kaya sigurado ka. So guys, let's talk about my Bare Months promo plus the reservation process. So for the reservation process guys, OFW and immigrants, you must have a valid passport, okay? And of course your proof of income. Pag OFW ang category, job contract. Kapag ka-immigrants, pay stub or certificate of employment with compensation, yan po ang kailangan. Locally employed, kailangan ng payslip for the reservation. Kapag ka self-employed or freelancers, kailangan ng proof of income. Pwede nyong i-request yan sa mga client nyo, direct clients nyo abroad. Kapag business owners, kailangan po yung business permit at also proof of income. Yun po yung mga requirements natin. On top of 2 valid IDs at any proof of billing, birth or marriage certificate. So guys, napakadali lang. Online reservation only. Direct po yan sa account ni developer. At isisend ko sa inyo yung mapa, black and that. Basta kontakin nyo lang ako. Nakikita nyo naman yung aking Viber and WhatsApp number dyan, diba guys? So all you have to do is to reach out to me. And of course, my Bare Months promo. So, sa lahat ng mga mag-reserve from September to December 2023, my Bare Months promo. Ano ba yung ipipimigay ko? Surprise kung magkano. So, it's SN gift checks or gift certificates. Hulaan nyo, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Surprise! Malalaman nyo yan guys pag na-contact nyo na ako at nakapag-usap na tayo. Pwede ang virtual tripping kung hindi ka kaagad makakapunta sa site, walang problema. Kung na malapit ka lang sa Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan, let's schedule a viewing guys para naman makapag-meet tayo at makita mo in person ang iyong future home. 'Di ba? Guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and of course, visit my website for more amazing projects. That's my name, www.nicoleshane.com.